challenge your brain with a fun but bumpy vocabulary ride, and let us know how you did in the comment section. Welcome to Brainy Happiness, and thank you so much for your subscription. Your support helps us provide you with more fun and challenging vocabulary riddles. Now let's get to the fun part. Question number 1. Believe it or not, that tiny piece has a name, and it's single-handedly responsible for making sure your shoelaces does not look like frayed pieces of spaghetti. So you need to show it some respect. And here are your options. Question number 2. And here is your hint. This will be the feeling that you get when you walk into your kitchen and all of a sudden you believe that the toaster is judging you. And here are your options. Question number 3. So the next time you take a whiff of an old novel, you're basically smelling its graceful decay. You're welcome. And here are your options. Question number 4. Here is your hint. And get this one wrong, and you might show up for a meeting a whole year early. And here are your options. Share this video and channel with your friends and family so that they can join you in having this fun. Question number 5. Here is your hint. Imagine them trying to cuddle, and it's not a cuddle for obvious reasons, okay? Here are your options. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We upload new fun vocabulary rhymes every week. So invite all your friends, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss any of our fun rhymes. We appreciate your support so much. See you in the next video.